In other words, someone's hacked it. That is the entirety of page 1. Others, they've managed to tick internal decay. How the hell is there internal decay? There's no evidence of internal decay.
There is no
root
evidence.
Condition.
Internal decay.
No ticks except for rooting area restricted.
There is no
Yes.
internal decay. What are you
Containing
talking
structure.
about? Over
Yes.
here as well. Over here as well.
Others, underground
Look, see?
utility.
I mean,
In other words,
geez,
it's a utility
it is
trying
not
to destroy this tree.
diseased at all.
Sign of pests and disease? No. Soil compaction? Yes, because they've laid this bloody footpath. What has killed this tree? What is trying to kill this tree? Those people there.
That is one of the most ridiculous
Sign of pests
assessments I
and
have
disease?
ever.
No. That's my friend and she's allowed to video.
She's been asked to
No, no, no.
Site-
They're afraid of the
this
paper.
is absurd. Tree location
Don't-
with exposure to wind, single tree, ticked. Target, people or property potentially affected by tree branch failure. Building is ticked. Can anybody see a building that is potentially affected by this tree? They do have remedial risk and mitigation measures. They can suggest pruning to remove defective parts. They can suggest crown thinning. They can actually trim trees, but they are not trimming this tree. They're going to remove the tree. Tree removal. Attached information says site plans, resistograph, and others, but I can't see any of those resistographs. It states it clearly. It is not, therefore, a sick tree. It states 3 times, no disease, no injury.
This paper is evidence.
This paper.
Yeah.